Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. We are in Manila and this video will be a first impressions. We are staying at a couple of our friends' apartment, which is really nice, but we haven't gone to anywhere yet in Manila. So yeah, gonna be a first impressions and yeah, come along with us and see what we think of the place. Yeah.
To start the day off, we're going to go get some breakfast from a place that our friends recommended us to go to, and then we were just going to go and explore and probably go to a couple of shopping malls and yeah, just do like sort of city life stuff. And then later on tonight we're going to go watch the new Avatar film.
New Avatar.
But obviously we can't film the Avatar film because that would be illegal. But yeah.
Copyright, big time copyright.
First things first is a cheeky little kind of breakfast slash lunch. We'll link the name of this place in the comments below, and well, I'll put it on the screen like over here.
The Fat Seed.
Here.
Here we go. Here it is.
Fat Seed. So we've gone for the FWS burger.
T something.
TFS burger. Yeah, it looks really good.
Ah.
Go on, get it down, yeah.
Oh, the pickles are falling out. Okay. Tastes like McDonald's burger.
Oh, she's juicy.
Oh.
Yeah, good?
Very good.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Right, I'm going to crack into mine now. So we're going to head to the SM Aura Mall, I think it's called, Aura Mall. And yeah, basically we're quite excited to see some like Christmas decorations and stuff like that. And yeah, just going to get there, have a look around and then maybe explore.
We was gonna watch the new Avatar, but it's over 3 hours long and I just can't do it. Like, it's just too long. I'll probably end up falling asleep. So we're probably just gonna watch it in the new year.
So we're now at the SM Aura Mall, that's how you call it. It's actually just started raining, so we're going to rush in there. It's sunny but raining, I don't know how that works. Well, it's definitely Christmas.
How amazing does all of these Christmas decorations look? Oh my god, look at a giant giraffe. Wow. It looks amazing.
So me and Chloe are actually surprising our family. So by the time this video comes out, our family would already have known we're home. But yeah, we're going home for Christmas and we're going to surprise them. So we're actually going to look for possibly getting them some Christmas presents.
Oh yeah, look at this. Sorry, just going to go around.
Okay guys, so I'm just going to quickly jump on here. Well, we're like 3 or 4 minutes through the video, but make sure that you wait until the end because we actually added an extra bit into the video of BGC at night. So yeah, make sure you stick around for that and make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, we'll let you carry on.
Look at all of the lights. It is so beautiful and I think it's really nice because obviously we're backpacking, so it's nice to have a bit of festivalness. And it's definitely bringing the festivalness. Let's go Christmas shopping.
So what are your first impressions?
First impressions is I can't stop taking photos of the malls. Look how pretty the lights are. And this place is literally every single designer store that you can think of, and it's just so beautiful. I just love it. And it's just very festive. What are your first impressions?
So this one isn't even like the biggest mall. We're going to go to that one tomorrow and do a separate video on that.
And
but
also, where are we going tomorrow?
We're also going to go to IKEA, but that's going to be a separate video. But yeah, this mall is absolutely massive, and so I dread to think what the one tomorrow is going to be like.
It's going to be absolutely huge.
And we absolutely love the whole like, hey ma'am sir, hey ma'am sir.
It is so sweet. It's a really sweet gesture, but instead of saying like, hey ma'am or hey sir, they're like, hey ma'am sir, and it's and they say it like with that tone of voice as well. And it's so sweet. They're so lovely people and very welcoming as well. So we love it when people are like, "Hey, Lucy, Merry Christmas!" And we're like, "Oh." My heart just burst into a million pieces.
So Chloe's found a little bit in Bob's shop.
Right, so I've basically saved everything, like plane tickets, everything. I've got like Polaroid, like photos, and I want to create a journal when I get home. And they've literally got everything here, like stickers for journals, bits of papers, loads of little bits, and I want to buy everything. It's just my type of shop, a bit in Bob shop. I love a bit in Bob shop.
This is how much Chloe loves these stores. I've literally been away for about 10 minutes, come back and she's still in here. You're still in here?
Hi, who are you, sir? Hello, sir.
You're still in here?
I don't know who you are. He's not talking to me. I'm buying cute things. Look how cute all these are. My little journal. I don't even know what this shop's called actually, but everything in here is basically made by like small little businesses where then you can find them on Instagram and stuff. So it's so cute.
There she goes. She's found another
in
store.
This like home. Oh, here we are. I think it's uniquely Filipino, and I've never seen a shop like this. Look how amazing it is. Though. I love baskets, and I'm trying to find my mum a present, and I don't know what to get her. And she's like me. She likes clutter.
She likes junk.
Likes junk.
Sorry, Marie.
I think it's sorry, Mum, but we like junk. Controversial. We're just deciding whether Malaysia in Kuala Lumpur basically has better shopping malls than here. What's the verdict? So far, anyway.
We've been to one shopping mall here. We've been to about 28 in Kuala Lumpur. But from first sort of like feel, like I'd say that Malaysia definitely has one. I mean,
Yeah.
it's definitely amazing, but like.
Yeah, the Christmas decorations here are very good, but if anybody's been to Malaysia and they've been to the pavilion, it's extraordinary. It is absolutely outstanding. But in our video of the biggest shopping mall in Asia, that could change tomorrow, could it not?
The biggest shopping mall in Asia tomorrow. I think it's the 4th largest in the world. So.
Fourth, we're going to get lost in there. And then we're also going to... We're also going to the world's biggest IKEA, and being as we're only half an hour away from it, it's got to be done. We're going. We're going.
Christmas holiday.
Christmas holiday. That is probably one of the best Christmas trees I've seen in a shopping mall.
Well, I don't know, Cambridge is pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah.
I wonder what the shopping mall tomorrow will be like. Do you think it would be better? Like the whole Christmas decorations.
I think so.
I'm a sucker for Christmas. It's my favourite time of the year. I absolutely love Christmas. One reason why I kind of miss home is because I love Christmas. But we're wondering if the shopping mall tomorrow, the biggest in Asia, is going to be Christmassy. Oh, look at the dog.
I'm scared it. It's got a nappy on. Okay, so that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Obviously, it's basically just a video of us walk around the BGC in Manila. And yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye. So I know we technically ended the video, but we've just come out at night around the BGC area, and we were just saying how amazing it is. Like, we were saying that there's quite a lot of security and it feels very safe, but it's absolutely beautiful. It feels like its own residence. Like all of these buildings are beautiful. Never mind like the Christmas decorations. And yeah, it's just like its own little area. It's got like food. This is called the Mega World Forbes Town, and it feels so safe here. We haven't been to any of the parts of Manila, to be honest, but this just feels so safe, and there's everything, like there's clothes stores, there's like pet stores, there's cafes, grills, like everything's down here. There's like a little market, there's food trucks, so great area. Absolutely love it here. This would be somewhere where it'd be great to live, wouldn't you not think?
Yeah, like if you came to Manila, I think definitely recommend staying in the BGC area. It might
Yeah.
cost a little bit more, but like it's definitely a really nice area.
Yeah,
I wouldn't say it's a very authentic area. Like there's a lot of Westerners and like
yeah, 100%.
like a lot of people here, but like yeah, definitely if you want like a nice experience. Definitely come to
Yeah,
the BGC.
maybe people come here more for business, because like all of these buildings are all like residential buildings, but the people that we're staying here, they managed to get their apartment through like the guy's work, and wow, what a place you'd want to live. It's beautiful.
Yes, thank you, Nina. And Anna.
Thank you so much for letting us stay at your apartment. We love you.